Let's go. Question 18, still on the Liberia question. An interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degrees. How many sides has the polygon? I know by now, after reading the question, you might use some few seconds to get your answer. We are looking for regular. Here means that all the angles are what? The same, or it has the same number of angles within. Now I can say that an exterior angle plus its corresponding interior angle will always give me 180 degrees. Exterior plus interior will give you 180. So if I know the interior, it means that the exterior angle is going to be 180 minus what? 150 degrees, and that gives us what? 30 degrees. You are wondering why I'm using exterior. You've mentioned interior. But this is the exterior angle. I know that exterior angle also equals to what? 360 degrees divided by n. So if I'm looking for the number of sides, I only switch their position. Meaning number of sides equals to 360 divided by the exterior angle, which is what? 30. This will cancel this. Your answer is going to be what? 12. That is the easiest way you can go. Or we can also say that the interior angle, let me use INT, right? Interior angle equals to n minus 2 times 180 divided by what? N. This can be used as well if you want to make use of all interior angles. So I know the interior as 150. So when I multiply by n, I get this. Meaning I should be having 180n minus what? 360 degrees. You know, I can bring this here and send this one there. Meaning 360 degree will be equals to 180n minus what? 150n. Still what? 30n. And you know, when you divide, you come back to the same thing. So, like, share, comment, and come back for question number 19.